little cousins.
So today we are going for the shopping. It was a sudden plan to go, and we have come now for the Alicia's house. So we planned just now to go. So
we'll be going. Eva's ready, as you can see. We need to get ready. So once we get ready, we'll be going. So we'll see you once we're ready.
two are fighting for getting dressed because Eva is already dressed and Elisha is going for the dressing. Wait, I'll show you. See, both. Face burnt. Don't look like that. Now we were discussing about the forgetting things. So whenever I come to Elisha's house, I forget one or the other things. So this time, these both are challenged me like I'm not supposed to forget any of my things in this house. So let's see whether I forget or not. Overacting. Ready now, and these people are still fighting for the mirror. So let's wait. Maybe we'll become late to go for the shopping. These people are eating chicken now. Before going for shopping.
And then Eva putting their slippers, and then we'll be going. Now we are getting ready to go. So we'll see you there.
I'm given princess treatment. The two of my bodyguards went ahead for the protection.
You're not the bodyguards.
You are. See, you both are wearing same uniform.
You're also wearing the same.
No, I have print in my bag, on my back.
On your back.
Yeah. No, I have the symbol also.
Plain, no, it's plain.
No, I have the symbol. The symbol.
Yeah.
And I have the back.
So now we should wait for our parents to
Something.
come.
Yeah.
My mom.
I just wanted to prove them wrong, so I just showed my back.
They're not yet come.
Where's the car?
They'll go up.
Up.
Yeah.
Then why did we come here to the basement?
I don't know. You know, I get the mall vibes over here. Over there. The malls and this, you know.
Bro, it's basement.
Of course. It just gives me those vibes.
Mall vibes. How come?
I don't know. Like mall vibes, matlab, it looks like the mall ka basement's dark and. Ooh.
Sun bath.
The lighting is
Sorry, sun kiss.
sun.
You know I mess up things when I talk.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Sometimes. It's so sunny in Bangalore. We're going to the park. No matter how much they grow up, they just want to play in the swing. And I don't know what are these things called. I just forgot. That is called slide, I guess. Yeah, slide, and this is swing. Yeah, I'm waiting for the car to come. It's basically my uncle, aunt. Basically, it's Elisha's mom and dad, and my mom, and me, and these three. Where's the other guy? Yeah, there. Tight gite hai? Nagi. Oh. Thinking what language we speak. Actually, our mother tongue is Konkani, so we speak Konkani. Yeah. The car did not come yet, so we thought we'll only go to the basement and check what's wrong.
To the car.
Yeah.
It's been like 20 minutes.
We were waiting. Is that your car? That one. Why is it feeling so haunted? Wait. Some car is coming. Yeah, it's not a car. Know that the car's battery is dead. So we're figuring out things like what to do. So till then we'll do time pass in the clubhouse. We kids. Clubhouse to play. I hope the car will be ready so soon. ball. You only go and ask, na. You just tell him it's not there. Just check properly it's there or what. Oh, what time pass they'll do? They didn't get fuse ball also now to play. What? They're planning to do other plans now. You want to pass the time? It's so hot.
Just chilling now.
Yeah, just thinking what to do now.
How do they not know where the foosball is? Wait, he's giving the ball.
Where is the ball?
So now we'll check our.
Just pass the time watching reels.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm so hot. We just finished doing one reel now.
You can
Yeah.
check our channel for that.
Yeah. And make sure to like, subscribe and share also.
That came randomly.
Okay, there's a call. Wait. Call now. The car is ready. So we're happy to go to shopping. So they called us to come near the gate.
The car was not ready for like an hour.
Yeah, actually, we were
came
ready
down
so
at 3
soon.
o'clock. Now
Yeah.
it's 3:45, like 3:45.
Yeah. I'm very excited. I always be excited to go to shopping. But moody.
Yeah,
Not like me.
yeah. I have more moods.
I will like ready like whenever you call me.
It was like very weird to tell the security again and again. We have to do this. We have to do that.
For our sake, he went. No, for our sake, he went and to search the fuse ball. But then we were searching for him to inform that we don't need it anymore, as our car is ready.
Maybe crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much.
We got out of the car now.
Oh, I'm hungry and there's food over there.
Hoodie.
Prashanathan scan kar diya.
Oh yeah, we came to our store to buy shoes. I feel like buying everything here. My God, look at the handbags.
So we're now there in the shop and Karen. She is checking out for shoes. We've already finished selecting. Let's show. Remove and show. So she chose this. I have the same one in black at home. We'll twin. Yeah, we'll be twinning. Remove the black one. I'm not so height. This one. So then we'll have to. Now we both are hungry. This is my shoe, like what I have at home. The same thing. Leave it down. So then we both are hungry actually. We are like too hungry. But we want to go to Miniso and Health and Club. Karen wants makeup. Yeah. I don't know. We'll ask our parents to go to Miniso. If we can go, we are going. Or else, let's see.
I'm drinking water and
Yeah, we both are so hungry. The men of our house, like my dad and my brother, are like so bored.
yeah, it's the simplicity.
Yeah. Let's see you in some time.
Purchasing now. We're so happy.
We might go to a jewelry shop, so I'm excited. You know, I live for jewelry, even though I don't have much.
You don't live for food? You don't
I live for food, I live for clothes, and I live for jewelry.
I live for everything.
And I live for everything actually. My friends, my family, everything. You're too tall.
Nice
Camera's
patch up.
too big.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is fine, okay?
Yeah.
Loving it.
Burj Khalifa.
I'm not that tall though.
You know, there's a guy this tall in my school, but she's not that tall.
I'm not that tall. But I regret, even I am this much tall, I'm this much. But also I regret, I can't wear heels. Everywhere. Only
You
for,
can wear heels, but then
not
it
that
looks
so
odd.
much. Yeah, it looks odd, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Take it back.
So we have entered the new shop.
What?
I'm in another shop.
Oh my god. This place. The fragrance.
Heavenly. Oh my god, I like this.
I know, right?
It's called something, wait. Bits, no. I forgot its name.
Charms?
Yeah, Charms also has one more name also. So pretty.
Serious? Yeah. Karen's
Oh.
favorite.
Dogs. I don't know, I love dogs so much. My god, see this? Yeah, it's called Gibbets. Yeah, I got to know the name because it's written over here. Gibbets.
This is perfect
For whom?
for you.
No, I don't like
There's
cats.
no dog one. That's a rabbit, Karen.
Yeah. See, yeah, they have she which one here. See here, they have written. If it was a friendship, they could write like friends.
I like this.
Which one? This one? Yeah, it's so good.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like the
a rich
Charms
vibe.
so
It
much.
gives a rich look.
Yeah. From mom, but unfortunately, what she liked, the size she didn't get. So sadly, we're going. Where?
Where I belong.
Oh.
Just kidding. I'm still a kid.
So we are going out for the other shop to go. It's unlucky day for my mom.
I would want to go for Miniso. Oh, the spoil shop. That's so good.
Where?
This spoil shop.
She meant pearl. Okay.
Bought pearls once.
Huh.
You know he makes those charms and bracelets, right?
If I come front.
You know he
see
makes
the dog.
those rosaries. So then for
See
that,
the dog.
yeah, suddenly it's so.
I like the dog so much. As I'm a dog
Karen
lover.
just loves dogs.
Yeah, I
No
just
cats.
like love. Yeah, no. I like to pat
Cats are
them.
annoying.
I feel like actually they are annoying. Yeah. Especially two breeds are my favorite, like Golden Retriever and the German Shepherd.
German Shepherd.
Yeah.
And, the Shih Tzu.
But the
Shih Tzu
golden-
is overrated now.
Yeah. But the Golden
like Shih
Retriever.
Tzu,
Yeah, not that much. I like the Golden Retriever. They're so chubby and they're so cute.
Yeah.
Today Saturday and too much of traffic in Bangalore actually. Bangaloreans can relate to it.
Wait, Karen Mando. Screenshot ka advantage.
It's okay, don't boast.
I can
Let's
wear
cross the road.
big heels. I can wear big heels.
So car horn when it spoke itself. Good
Very
timing.
bad.
I appreciate the car driver.
Very bad car driver. Everywhere I see cars and cars and cars.
Obvious Bangalore. It's a city.
Especially HSR.
Yes. We are feeling like buying everything what we see.
I wish we could just go to Alda's and eat something.
You guys know that doesn't come for shopping.
I'm
They
so
just want to
hungry,
eat. They come to
okay,
eat. That's it.
I'm just so hungry.
Goodies. I saw one more dog. Over here. And another one over here. Where it's hiding from me. It's hiding. I guess it shows shy of the camera. Wait, we are hiding. Wait. They went to the shop. They are just going. Typical moms be like. They just see some shop and they just go enter into it. And that's it. Again, they turn towards us itself.
Oh my god.
What it is?
I thought they're going for optics.
But where are they going?
They're going
for
that
the
side.
footwear. Okay. Come, we'll also go. Let's check in. Fortunately, she didn't get in this store also. So better we'll check in other shop. Maybe. No idea what we're going to purchase ahead. We're just following the crowd. I mean, my family members.
As per what information I know, they're searching for studs for my.
You are tired now. Shopping, walking. Now costing. Huh? My mom got like what footwear she wanted in a store called Skechers. Yes. So all shopping is done and now back home. So really tired. The Bangaloreans can relate to the traffic it has. The people will get tired half of the time in the traffic itself.